Have you ever wondered what the universe is really made of? When we look at the sky and see twinkling stars, distant galaxies, and planets orbiting their stars, it seems that the universe is a tangible and comprehensible reality. Yet what we see is only an infinitesimal fraction of what constitutes the cosmos. Most of the universe remains invisible, hidden in the darkness of infinity, containing mysteries that challenge our understanding. But if the universe is mostly invisible, what lies beyond our sight? Over the past decades, scientists have struggled to answer one of the deepest questions in physics. What is dark matter? And more importantly, what is dark energy, the enigmatic force that appears to govern the accelerated expansion of the universe? These enigmas have sparked numerous questions, and despite years of discussion, no definitive answers exist yet. However, thanks to advancements in technology and scientific observations, we are finally beginning to unveil some of the secrets hidden in the cosmos. And one of the greatest steps forward in this direction is the Euclid mission. Imagine having an instrument capable of probing the universe in an unprecedented way, searching for mysterious forces and objects that elude our perception. This instrument is Euclid, a space telescope designed to observe the universe with incredible detail, revealing the mysteries of what lies beyond visible matter. The telescope is named after the famous Greek mathematician and geometer Euclid, a symbol of the pursuit of deep and rational understanding of natural laws. The Euclid mission was designed to tackle two of modern cosmology's greatest challenges, understanding dark matter and dark energy. Although we cannot directly observe dark matter, we can perceive its presence through the gravitational effects it exerts on galaxies and other visible objects. Dark matter is fundamental to explaining the formation and movement of galaxies, yet its nature remains a mystery. On the other hand, dark energy is an even more mysterious force, seemingly acting as a kind of push that accelerates the expansion of the universe, counteracting the gravity that should slow it down. Euclid's journey toward understanding these invisible forces began long before its launch. Decades of work by scientists, engineers, and designers were required to create such a sophisticated instrument. Euclid was launched from the Kourou spaceport in French Guiana using a Soyuz rocket. Its final destination? The Lagrange point L2, located about 1.5 million kilometers from Earth. This point, situated beyond the Moon's orbit, is ideal for cosmic observations as it provides a stable environment free from interference caused by Earth's or the Sun's gravity. Here, Euclid can scan the sky with unprecedented clarity. Euclid's mission is not just about capturing images of the universe, but aims to measure and map the distribution of dark matter and dark energy in great detail. By combining advanced scientific instruments, Euclid can gather data on billions of galaxies using two main observational techniques: weak gravitational lensing and baryon acoustic oscillations. Weak gravitational lensing is a fascinating phenomenon that occurs when light from a distant galaxy passes through a region of space rich in dark matter, slightly bending due to gravity. Euclid observes these distortions and analyzes them to map the distribution of dark matter. This effect is both powerful and subtle, requiring highly advanced technology for large-scale observation. Through these observations, scientists can map the position and amount of dark matter in different regions of the universe. Baryon acoustic oscillations are another fundamental tool in Euclid's research. These oscillations are small sound waves that formed in the early moments of the universe when primordial radiation expanded. They are imprinted in galaxies and their distributions and can be studied to measure the expansion rate of the universe with great precision. These cosmic traces are one of the primary tools for determining the influence of dark energy on the universe's expansion speed. The images captured by Euclid are much more than simple photographs. They contain enormous amounts of information that require sophisticated processing to extract meaning. The combination of artificial intelligence, mathematical algorithms, and theoretical models allows scientists to correctly interpret the data and test existing cosmological theories. Every piece of data collected by Euclid is a step toward a more precise and profound understanding of the universe. One of the most intriguing questions is whether Euclid will confirm current cosmological theories. According to the Standard Model, the universe is composed of about 1/5 dark matter and nearly 3/4 dark energy. If Euclid detects significant discrepancies, it could revolutionize our understanding of physics and lead to the discovery of new particles or even new laws of gravity. Although the Euclid mission is still ongoing, the data being collected is already opening new frontiers in physics. Whether the discoveries confirm or challenge current theories, the implications could be enormous, not just for cosmology but for the very foundations of theoretical physics. The mysteries of dark matter and dark energy are far from solved, and Euclid is only at the beginning of its journey toward understanding these phenomena. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and want to continue discovering the incredible secrets of the universe with us, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming discoveries. Your support is essential to continue exploring the cosmic mysteries that surround us. Thanks again, and see you next time.